Hi, this is Jason with PokerAtlas, and in this video we will go over how to create a tournament payout from start to finish. So first thing, we will select Tournament Templates, then we will select Payout, and then from here we can go ahead and create our tournament payout schedule. So notice those 7 buttons up top control the list, the Create Group, New and Delete underneath control the actual payout group. So first thing we'll do is hit New, then we'll type in the name of our payout. Then that will sort that alphabetically. Now we'll click on our payout, and the first group you want to enter is 0. So type in 0, hit create group, and now you're going to put in your positions and your percentages. So for this one I'm going to do 1 position and 100%. Now the next group is very important. You want to put the group where you want the payout jump to happen. So at 30, group 30, I'm telling the system that at 30 players I want it to pay 3 spots at these percentages. So I put in my positions, now I put in my percentages. Also notice at the bottom, the system totals your percentages. That way, if you're off or anything like that, you will catch it before you finish your payout group. So now my next group, I'll type that in, 50. So now I'm telling the system at 50 players, I want you to pay X spots at X percentages, and so forth and so forth. So then you just continue to do this on down. You can do this to as many players as you would like to do it for. And then just make sure you type in all the corresponding percentages and positions. If those positions are not in order, then your payout will look messed up in your template. So please keep that in mind. And there you have it. We have now created a tournament payout schedule, and it is ready to be added to your template and good to go. As always, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from PokerAtlas.